Good evening, welcome Sasikal. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In this video, I am going to talk about how to be confident while speaking English. So in this video, I am going to discuss with all of you a few points that is really helpful for you to be confident while speaking English. First of all, I am going to share with you one example so you can understand easily. Have you ever watched any news channel? Every time you are watching a host asking a guest that is expert in some place like finance, like HR, in some department, so people are asking questions from them. Why? How can they can answer easily? How can they can answer easily? Because they have so much knowledge about about expertise. They have so much knowledge about the subject they already know, because they can learn so many things about that, so that thing in store in his mind, so they are very confident to answer very easily. They are very confident to talk about that answer. They have every answer. If you ask anything about their expertise, they can give you answer easily because they are so much content. So I just want to tell you, in terms of English speaking, if you want to be confident while speaking English, you need to earn so much knowledge about English. You need to store so much content in English. How can you do this? You just need to read English, you just need to listen English, you just need to write English, and most importantly, you just need to speak English. That is the only you can do it very easily. You need to be confident. If I am making video and I am very lethargy like that, my name is Naman, you are watching. You can watch me? No, you can't watch me. I want to be confident while speaking English, because that is the only way you can understand that how can I learn so many things about English. But let me remind you one thing: you can learn so many things, you can be confident while speaking English. If you want to earn so much knowledge about English, in terms of reading, in terms of writing, in terms of listening, but most importantly in terms of speaking, you just need to stand in front of the mirror and speak whatever you want. You don't need anyone, you don't need any companion. Just close the door and do it. Maybe in initial stage you can't do it easily, you need time, you need to be patient. First day you are not improving, second day you are not improving, third day you can improve. Maybe first day you are using a wrong word, maybe your pronunciation is not right, second day maybe it going to increase, it going to improve little bit, third day you are more improving, and next day you are more and more improving. That is the only way you build confidence, because you earn so much knowledge, you earn so much content in English. That is the only way you can be fluent, you can be confident while speaking English. You need to earn so much knowledge. If you want to be confident in any place, if you want to be confident in any subject, that is the only way. You have to learn so much knowledge about that subject. If you want to know anything, if you want to learn math, if you want to be expertise, if you want that you can solve any question in math, what can you do? You have to practice math equation every single day, maybe 5 hours, 10 hours, but that is the only way you can become an expertise, you can become a mathematician. If someone is asking you that, please sir, please solve this problem, this equation, you can solve easily. Just because of that you can earn so much knowledge about math. That is the only way. If you want to be confident while speaking English, you have to earn so much knowledge. That is the only way you can be confident while speaking English. And I just want to tell you, give me feedback. Do you feel any confidence while you are listening me? And give me feedback. I need feedback in this video. I want that if you like, just like me. If you don't like, okay, dislike me, but comment me and give me suggestion that what is improving, what is the place that I have to improve. That is in the video. I hope that you like my content. If you are new, please subscribe my channel, and if you always came here, please click the like button. And I always make a video that is really very useful for you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Boom. Fire. Thank you.